I'm Jim Zamiski with Moen, Regional Vice President of the West, and we're excited here to be at KBIS. We are launching a U by Moen Smart Faucet and a brand new shower experience with Nebbia.
Here at KBIS, we're really excited to launch our new U by Moen Smart Faucet. It is a voice-activated kitchen faucet. You can activate the faucet 4 ways. First way, using the handle, so we didn't take that away from consumers. Operate it just like you normally do. The second way is using the wave sensor. So if you don't actually want to touch the faucet, if you're cutting up meat or something like that, you can wave the faucet on and off with your hand. The third way, because it is a smart product, so it is a connected product, you can actually toggle the faucet on and off in the app. So we're launching the Moen Network here, which is essentially one app that houses all of our smart products. So the kitchen faucet lives in that app. And then the fourth way, you can actually use your voice. So using either Google's Assistant or Amazon Alexa, you can issue precise temperature, precise measurement, or a combination of the both just by simply saying it. So our faucet supports 1 tablespoon all the way up to 15 gallons, and then precise temperature like 103-degree water, or you can use generic commands like warm water, cold water, room temperature, etc. Another cool thing you can do in the app is actually set a preset. So instead of saying something like 7 ounces at 98 degrees, you could just call that baby bottle. So simply say, hey Google, ask Moen to fill baby bottle. So she's running the water up to temperature. She said, wait for the water to stop. When the light is solid, you can wave over the sensor to get exactly what you asked for. So in the app, we set up 7 ounces at 98 degrees. So now there you have it. You have 7 ounces at 98 degrees just by simply using your voice to get that. Wouldn't it be nice to get that every single time and not have to guess? We're really excited to launch this product here at KBIS. It'll be available in a couple weeks, shipping February 1st on 9 different styles and a number of different finishes and styles like traditional, modern, transitional, anything for everybody.
At Moen, we're committed to providing you with the best experience with water. That's why I'm excited to show you our new Nebbia by Moen Spa Shower, which is going to give you an amazing experience in the shower. The Nebbia by Moen shower is going to provide you with 2 times the coverage in the shower while using 45% less water. Now you may be thinking, how am I going to be using 45% less water but getting 2 times the coverage? The amazing part of the Nebbia by Moen Spa Shower is that it uses a very unique atomized spray. What's happening when the water is coming out of the rain shower is it's breaking into millions of tiny water droplets. This is allowing you to get more coverage in the shower while using less water. The Nebbia by Moen Spa Shower can flow anywhere from a 1.3 to a 1.7 gallons per minute. So if you're in an area where water conservation is important to you, you have the option to get that lower flow rate. What's also great about the Nebbia by Moen Spa Shower is that it's available in 4 amazing finishes. We'll have it in matte black, chrome and white, chrome and black, and our spot resist nickel. I encourage you to go to Moen.com and learn more about the Nebbia by Moen Spa Shower.
It's been a great week here at KBIS. What we've really tried to get across is we're not just a home builder faucet anymore. We're in the showroom, we're leading with technology. All of these products will be available to everybody. Contact your Moen rep and we'll be in to give demonstrations, and it's really enhancing the experience of water through technology is what we're trying to show.